Let's go, Sibling Family. One more time. What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Thaburi with me, Talita Ndima, Timani, Tigel, King Ta, Talili.
Talala.
Talala. Oh.
Also, it's your delivery, man. How is anyone gonna be convinced when ube nervous up?
Okay, so you're
Power
gonna...
puff ta.
Oh, that's cute. Puff Tigel. Oh my! These things are gonna fall.
Excuse Buddha. Sure, Machita. What's up, everybody? You know what it is. Lo Uzakenika is back.
Dilel Pesquazo, man.
Love the show. I don't know. You don't have to know that I'm back since Nancy. Also, you got like how many pairs you have?
This one, 2.
This one and the clear one you were wearing last week. Only. Why, casual. Wow, namanga boss.
Why?
No, you've got more.
And if you go change iPhone, you change your prescription, you change your specs.
Okay. Okay. You know what? This is another discussion for another day. Tamzupela, Tamzubiri, Tazwitz, Rotman, and that's nice. You know what it is.
Tina slang is in Shatazwitz.
Fundini hlange ezintsha fundini. Okay. Nekudunga umuntu ukuhlahlala uzirole. Uziqenge. Because it is hlangu every once in a while, you understand? So ke nami ndikhe azizihlangu ndizakwazi ubhamba kahle. Yazibona ayosoli ndandiyazi fundini.
How do they feel?
They're nice, they're super comfortable. Guys, this is why people who like you'll see at work, usually older, running shoe. There's no shoe that you can ever wear that is more comfortable than a running shoe. I exist eso slango. Ne-Crocs bangadinxiba after I come out of a running shoe.
Oh, really?
They are comfortable. They are super comfortable.
That's nice.
And that's why it crashes in. It crashes in running shoe ne-chin.
What's in the HM? What's in the HM?
Oh, senzitsho kaloku.
Uklo age now, uklo special space.
Because group yakho mna.
Oh, fonini nangu unxiba ibhamba ntoni nawe?
Hayi mna ndiyasivula mna. Endiyabona ngibe i-tracksuit so. Anasinxibe emsebenzini.
Have you never worn it with the jean?
No, why?
Because you fika kule age.
Running shoe ne-jean.
Wefundini.
No, bro, that's like 50s, bro.
So ngabani bama
And fresh ukufam that shit, right? Efoni ngabani umele buye abadate?
Oh, abafunyanwa phi mhlawumbi?
Njani?
Like where can I find them?
Kaloku andinguye ndiyazi.
Emisebenzini.
Bembe bayaphangela noko. They're supposed to be working, bro.
Abekho pha kulo msebenzi wami.
Man, suka nawe kulo msebenzi wakho ikhe uhlala phe Standard Bank eKhandini. Kanye Nedbank eKhandini, kanye Absa eKhandini. Uhlala.
And then? And then?
And then uzababona kaloku xa beze for lunch. Ababaphangela pha.
And then?
Njani by then?
Then ndigoduke.
Okay. I can't teach you everything.
Yes, you can.
Njani?
You've been more than happy to teach me everything.
Approachwa kaloku. Bawukho week uza-approachwa. Week awuzo-approachwa. You know?
Ndiye nini? Mambara week okanye ndiye?
Nokuye nini fondini?
Noba kunini?
Fondini, abantu bamele uba wena you sing. Abanayo mambara week.
So true.
Also, you've been working for 30 years, you send a mambara week. Come on. Aye.
Okay.
Yeah. You understand? Anytime, it's the time. Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take you up on your advice, my friend.
Not, but yeah. Anyways.
Oh, well, funny sister yethu sebenza Standard Bank but masambe sothi lunch pha kuwe Span.
Eva.
Yeah.
Symbol mohlweni le.
Well, every time we talk about her, she texts me and she'll be like, "Hi, No, she won't, but she'll just be like, "I can't believe you guys."
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Andingaphansi mthana mna I developed something symptoms zokugula over the weekend. And then I went on Monday, and then yeah,
I saw you on Sunday. Bungaguli nje.
Lenotroiba symptoms.
Mm.
So Lenotroiba, and then Monday I woke up in Gekorite, I was coughing Sunday night. And then Monday in Gekorite, my chest started tightening up. I was at the doctor. And then he gave me some stuff for and I don't know, an acute chest infection. So I'm doing that now.
You fell up with chest infection.
I go and they ask one.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean we fell up? No one can tell you. When you've had a chest infection, so we fell up. Or flu or fever. Do you know what I mean?
Mm.
You fell up, you know.
Mm.
Exactly. So yeah, it's just suck, man, because it's just a bad time. Very bad timing. But rather now, 3 weeks out from Comrades than any other time. So yeah, I'm just hoping it'll clear soon so that we'll be hundreds again.
How are you feeling? What are you feeling?
I'm just coughing, man. It's got a really bad dry cough. And what else? Yeah, my chest is better. After I started taking those antibiotics, my chest started easing up a bit. So yeah, that's fine. It's just the cough that's painful. But yeah, other than that, hopefully I caught it in time. You got develop into something that's whatever, full blown. Yeah, so, but yeah, we are crossing fingers. Well, is our pella soon.
Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
How's your week?
Fine. Yeah, just fine. Nothing too hectic.
Nothing special.
No, not really. I mean, besides Arsenal winning the league, that's been my favorite part of the week, the past week.
Okay. That was that. That was that, winning the league for the first time in 22 years.
Yes, that's right.
No fair. Go Gunners. Got nothing against you, Oxum. And you land in Nepal. So
I want a little bit more enthusiasm. Pakla Gunners.
Like in your bear. Can't say that. Do you care to break it down for me? Like bear. Like if fans.
Kupeya ifans. Zipeya ngubani?
Lelo ndiyibuzayo kaloku ndizama uyiqonda because thina babona abantu besports because mna beze apply ngolu hlobo kwezinye izinto ngekude cha isport andiyazi man kapha bathi ezi strangers ungazange wadibana nazo
uyazilwela
ukorwe ube nomsindo ulile utrita abanye abantu kakubi kapha bayathukwa abanye bathoka umuntu abadompi because belandela ubani basisibhanya. Okay, like I feel like there's so much person kapha phuma iskipper esitsha every 2 months umuntu une-stress ufuna ukhupha 1.8 yeskipa
iskipper esitsha siphuma at the end of the season. That's once a year.
Andiyaka lona season kaloku uba thina seasons bayi-4 enyakeni: summer, autumn, winter, spring. So kwaezo nto ezo kapha funeka unqayile Wednesday night hayi no Thursday i-Champions League, Wednesday i-UEFA. Umntu uxelela ucabana nabantu ahlala nabo because yena usefowunini si-out for dinner yena uthe ifowuni. So it leads me to only one possible there's only one possible thing abantu bafumana imali and abafuna usixelela because caba ke izawuspitwa nathi le mali.
Asikuseko my million for split.
But le nto njoyo uba yebo andifuna ulokela abanye abantu.
Kanjani?
You don't want to let us in because now you have to split the money.
You can go in, Jenna. We don't have to open a door. You can just walk in.
Okay.
The door's always open.
Okay. Mandibuyisela umvo ke ngoku. Mandingathi niyapeya na. Insinuate ba niyapeya. Let me rather say nifumana ndoni. Nifumana ndoni.
It's an activity that you can share with other human beings. It's a social activity.
Okay, senje sashare my social activity. Sibukela $1 million secret simdiscuss kube manje. Asithenga izikipa zakhe. Yeah, sibukela inimba. Awuzothenga iskipa sika ngubani lamuntu umthandayo ba?
Anbazi, I don't know.
Khadi, anbazi abana.
Don't know.
Like siyabukela inimba sikhomende ngabukhondo. Understand? Akhethiwe ke ngoku inimba versus isidingo. Uphasinzi alwe nohlathi. Like leno njoyo. That's what sport. Like sport is this thing. And the most messed up thing for me is like awuhlala nohlala eManchester. Zange waya nokuya phi eLiverpool. Team yam Liverpool.
Iteam yakho kuLiverpool.
Senziswa lo uthatha ngabantu bathatha ngolo hlobo. Yabona? Iphathi zonke estadium. Ukhona umlomeka thethe ngabantu abasupporta ibhola. Guys, ditikiwe mna kubo siva, running is a culture mana. Aba bebhola nibayeke ndiye niboyika aba bebhola bona. It's because baninzi. Also no running, like uyayithanda running ube uyirana yana. Aba bakanokhaba nebhola. Khayichaze fumana noni. Ya sign up.
Oh, Sikundiva, bro. I actually can't see it today. Attitude yakho is wrong.
No, I'm trying to understand.
No, fix your face.
Okay, so I'm correct. So boy, buso bam.
Funny, andizokwazi explain mina lento. It's either firstly masiqale at its simplicity, at its most simple place. Do you like sport?
Yeah.
If I was Tandy sport, okay, ngapha, right? Yeah. Which sport do you like?
Any sport. I like sports.
Okay, but which is the one sport where you like, I could watch this sport?
As long as sport,
but I was bukeli zonke nje na.
But you
don't care. So I like sport, but ngiyayithanda.
As long as sabe TV, ndizobukela iGanas.
We're in the final.
Ilento njoyo ufumana noni? Into ba into lack of victories in one's life. Le yes ba afuna upavela amadoda anxibo short abamhlophe.
Are you competitive?
Yeah, sure.
The
thing is, I compete with the man in the mirror. I compete with who I was yesterday.
Hey, you can't be bola.
If I'm competitive, it's fine.
It's entertaining. It's a form of entertainment. Like for instance, mna andizuyibukela I don't really like watching.
Watch sport.
No, I like watching sports. This is my jam. I'll watch any sport.
Yeah.
And like be invested and know the things and blah blah blah. Because I like it. It's a form of entertainment for me.
Okay. Which is not a sport.
Which is not a sport, yes. So,
but yes, bukeli series nazo.
Yes, I bukeli series, I bukeli movie, but andizumbukela balaputune no wives as nins. That Zulu guy.
Yeah.
I won't watch those things.
That's fine.
Yes, because they're not entertaining to me. What's entertaining to me is sports.
But it's beyond entertainment, there's sport. There's a lot of things that are entertaining. You understand?
Yeah.
Like in entertainment, go uphuma ndiyotya. Andizothenga iskipa sakwa spell.
Kaloku different things need different things.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Kaloku wena, you're already spending money paying for your food at Spur. You've paid. You bhatale something. Mna, and I can't go watch Arsenal. I can't. I'm not gonna fly to Europe to go watch any of these things.
Okay.
So the only thing I can do, bonakalisa is support yam.
We bonakalisa kubani? We bonakalisa kubani? We Arsenal.
listen, nabanye abantu abasupport i-Arsenal, nabanye abantu abangasupporti i-Arsenal abasupport ezinye izinto.
When
Arsenal.
Niyayisupporta i-Arsenal financially. Niyayisupporta because
When now is Perry supporter financially.
Pandahluta mna kalibumesbe.
Endorphins zami ziyanyuka. There's a payoff for everyone.
Okay. So utenga i-chemical reaction. Dopamine hits.
I mean, I don't have to buy anything, but I can still get that chemical reaction.
Correct. Ikubani bezi frustration ngapha, beyi anger ngapha, bezi tears ngapha, xabana ne-family yakho ngapha, like all of that.
You know, there was someone a few weeks ago, two weeks ago, I'd posted something about Arsenal, and then they said, "Oh, you guys are such bottlers. You're gonna bottle the league." And I was like, I didn't say anything. And then one Buzba, "Why didn't you say anything?" And I said, "You said a statement. It wasn't a question, was it? But also, I'm not the type of person, personally, who's going to have a fight about football."
Okay.
That makes no sense to me as well, because I'm like, "Fonini, abantu abakwazi nokwazi bahambe bakhaba ibhola phaa kude wena uzolwa nechomi yakho ngenxa for these guys."
Weak umesi.
That makes no sense to me. So uyandibuza lo mntu uthena ungaphendulanga, and I'm like, because I have nothing to give. Like, anando. Oh, it's just banter. Diti, that's great. Football banter is not my thing. I like watching football, but oh, forget about it.
And there's a thin line, man, between a banter and just no kezelana, no disrespectana.
But we both have nothing to do with this thing.
Yeah. And so many things are hidden behind banter.
Exactly. And I'm always just like, oh, your team sucks, okay. Ayo team yam, ayo tatam. I enjoy their football, and that's the end of the story. Hey, Obani, Waki, Nina. Oh, bruh. You've lost
me. It's very
me.
interesting, man. Just looking at how invested people get. And I always wonder in my head, but you know why invested
how invested men get, because it's men.
No, yeah,
mostly.
Ufuna i-TV wena endaweni engena-TV ufuna uconnectelwa i-TV kweze uzobukela Arsenal wena.
Yes.
Yeah, that's an investment. 1 point or you could play, that's an investment. You are investing, and emotionally, because it does do something to your emotions. Like you, Arsenal. Like we need to proud you.
Okay, so continue.
Yeah, no, it's interesting. So you watch it for the entertainment value.
Yes, I am entertained by a lot of sporting codes. Okay. And so I will watch anything, most things.
But top one for you is football.
Yeah.
Because you can, what's going on in tennis right now? Andre Agassi. Okay, but no, I get your point.
In Paris, there's a thing happening in Paris right now. A Grand Slam.
Oh, okay. Who's number 1 in the world? Oh, okay.
Ooh.
I'm so terrible.
It changes very often, though. That's the thing with tennis as well. But I will watch tennis, and I like tennis, but like, I'll go on.
But you enjoy by you what you really, really like, and you're fully behind, and you know probably more than any other thing is football.
Yeah.
But it's very interesting to know if you guys watch sports, why you watch sport. Do you ever think about if there's like a deeper reason why you are so into?
Why can't it just be a form of entertainment?
No, it's fine. I'm just asking now the deeper question. Nothing is surface level. Well, a lot of things are not surface level for me. I always think, well, okay, it's fine. But like, why? Like, what sits beneath that?
Let me ask you a question. If we were living in the Roman times and people were, you know how they used to go to the arenas, balwe abantu, to the death. Would you go there?
And bugelwa UFC. UFC for me.
Oh no,
the water.
Namhlanje Sunday, guys. We're all going to go watch 2 gladiators fighting. You would.
That doesn't make any sense. engayihamba ndikhulanga ndibukela ne-wrestling endingayibukeli.
Kaloku, but I mean, I guess it's one of the few forms of entertainment of the time. So maybe you would.
Yeah, no, look.
But ngoku nento ezininzi ne-internet ne-phone nento yabaleka nento ezininzi.
Yeah, but also it makes me think about what do I actually really do for entertainment?
Yeah,
which begs the question. It's a question that, it's something that I'm picking up in this conversation, but it's something I need to think about. But okay, entertainment, and also, at what point do you draw the line between entertainment and productivity? The problem, I've got a productivity problem. So the problem is that I'll sit and I'll be like, yeah, okay, cool, I can entertain myself, but at what cost? What else could I be doing? Gale 1.8, yes, skip. What else could I be doing? Gale Thursday night, 10 to 12. You don't know about 10 to 12. You understand?
Between 10 and 12 anyway.
It says who?
But
this is the thing. It depends.
So are you saying, okay, you're not saying anything.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm asking myself questions. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, well, and it's an individual thing, right? I don't think it's anything that anyone can explain to anyone. It's just how I...
Yeah. I don't know.
It's also wrong.
It's also
that's all.
Shut up. It's also an escape as well.
Oh, so like ngaduseli beer.
Ungacingi ingxaki zakho kokoko.
You see now.
It is
you see now.
It is definitely an escape though, where for 90 minutes you don't have to think about life. You can just think about 22 guys kicking a ball. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, but escape from one zone into another zone. Because we invested. You don't just watch passively.
Yeah, true.
You get frustrated. It's an emotional roller coaster.
Yeah, true. That's true. It is an emotional.
But ke hayi kubantu asenzo akonditheni nami ndibuza.
Ndasafuna ukuqhuba.
Ndibuza nami akonditheni lawe.
It's in the closeness of it all.
The closeness of it all.
Dog. Closeness of it all. I think sizabuyela ku last week besenze i-recommendation. But ibinde la recommendation and khange siyigqibe.
Okay.
So this week I've got 5 more words recommendation ebisuka kunasiphi.
Oh geez, there's still 5.
Yeah, so I think last week we'd spoken about what did we speak about last week? We spoke about iminwe emide. And we spoke about sibe izinto zohlonipha ne? Besithi kuhlonipha last week. Isihlonipho, euphemism, right? This week sine isikweko. Isikweko. Yeah, isikweko. Sorry. Isikweko. Kuxa umuntu efaniswa nento ngenxa yezimbo zakhe.
Okay.
So
umuntu xa sithi uyamkweka kweka.
Kwekwa. Umuntu uyamkwekwa.
Is that the same thing?
Ndiyazi for nini.
Uthini ukweka?
Andazi into ncamo ngamakhwenkwe yonke laa nto like into izinto ezikude kum
Oh, sana ufana net nam.
Ndandama ukwekwo okanye ukweko. Isikweko. Metaphor. So what you are asking is,
yes, what does that mean?
And metaphor.
And metaphor.
Yeah, and metaphor. Kuxa umuntu efaniswa nento ngenxa yezimbo zakhe.
Okay.
Lento ifaniswa kuthiwe yile nto ofaniswa na. Yo, lento ifaniswayo kuthiwe yile nto ofaniswa nayo.
Okay.
For examples, uThalita yinyoka.
Okay. She's sneaky. Talita is sneaky.
I don't know. Are snakes sneaky or they just go around their life?
Yes, they're going around their lives. But Going around too quietly for us abangcolayo.
Okay. Kuthiwa ke uthetha kalunganga or ukhohlakele.
Okay. Fine.
Also kind of like sneaky, and it's how we see it. But Yona is just living his life.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, Hasana.
Right? Umzubhela igusha.
Uzlungele.
Oh, yayiva ululamile.
Why would you make... Okay.
Huh? You understand? You know? Ngathi ufuna unikwekwa. Utalita ligaga.
Why are my examples so bad?
Sorry, akekho sister wakho omdala mara kunqandela kule veki. Ndim nawe ngiyanqoza masambe.
Okay, iqaqa is a
Skunk.
A skunk,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, I was never going to get to skunk. I had the picture. And I was like, what is that?
Yeah.
Xa usithi umntu yinto li?
Ligaga.
Liqaqa. Then
Nevumba
uyanuka.
elibi. Yes.
Oh,
Nevumba elibi.
oh bruh.
No.
That's like so direct though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Utalita.
It's your turn. No.
Umzubhela ihagu.
I can't believe you were more than happy to give me all the bad ones. That's so weird. So sibling coded as well. Uzuko utani?
Yeah, ihagu.
Ihagu. Eat a lot.
Liqeleko.
Oh, yes,
because
true.
ihagu in the mud and what all of that.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I was definitely wrong there.
Yeah. And then the last one, utalita. Since the last one we found.
No,
Utalita insika yasekhaya.
I don't know what intiga is.
Phela.
Oh,
Andithi kaloku korondabile. Yabo? No.
mamel.
Yeah. So kwa uronda ubuildwa la wemu. It's round and then it's round and then the roof is like this, right? Goes to a point. So usually what ends up happening to hold up, essentially hold up the roof in the middle.
Yes.
Insika.
Oh, lovely.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
So sentence abisi utata insika yasekhaya. Insika is a pillar.
Ipila yethu fonini.
Miwe ngayo. Nangba sifuna utye ngekafiki sime ngayo. Yeah, so that was from Nasipi.
Oh, thanks, Nasipi. Those are
Metaphors. So it makes me think, maybe that would be interesting. I don't know what that means.
Have you never heard that before?
I have. I don't know what.
Okay, can I explain, guys? One of you not knowing.
Kalufundi comments. If you call no comment delay, you might comment now. Ningasikwe.
Oh.
Yakwazi umkwekwa umuntu olilady. And that's another question. Did post up kune classini? Uske wantonga amehlo ablank.
Okay, let us know, guys. Let us know what you know. And I feel like we should take it upon. You guys should take it upon yourselves. But like Iranweni, I want to know if we ran 2 episodes in a row.
Yeah, just so that we find ourselves taking a responsibility at all.
No, not at all.
Support the Arsenal.
Support the Arsenal most our siblings. Yes, lovely. But thank you so much. If you guys have any other Khosanas things that you guys can contribute with, please feel free to send them to us. And this was Funda. But that was awesome.
Shout out. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
we
that was
really
really
appreciate
cool.
it.
All right, let's play a game.
Okay.
Oh, and I book like a episode. Guys, is Kutaza. Gents, you right? Hey, I feel like if we also speak in American accents, we also make more numbers.
I got look when we are live when I was Molos. I'll cross America. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? know what I mean?
Alright,
Been out in the Bronx, son.
Alright, I got you. Let's play this game now. What's something you did as a child that your parents still retell the story about?
Whoa. They retell a story of when we were younger, sasihlala ngase golf course. And then
I literally told the story to someone last week.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And then got in a golf course.
And then a golf course ke ngoku sihlala neRotman yethu endala kancinci apha kuthi. And then yena wayemdala mos so ephuma yena and then used to I think collect golf balls and stuff from the golf course because I always used to play golf course there. Yo golf. And then as I was fihla apha endlini because ezibeke nje and then I always wanted to play with him. Or you was it you or me?
No, it was
It was
you.
me. So ke ngoku mna always ndifika qho ndicabanga ngezinye imini ndimbhaqe and then xa ndizomxela ndithi ndifuna igolf nestick because ndidlala igolf. Yazi mhlawumbi yaphoswa imali yazi. Career mhlawumbi ngeyingcolile.
My chat is, why was there a golf course KwaZakhele?
Nini andiyazi jo. Mhlawumbi bazakhela.
That's so lazy. Oh.
You understand? So, but it's so good.
It's good, but it's so stupid.
So sihlala kazakhele bhayi ngela xesha. Isekhona la golf course?
I have no idea. And I mean, this is in the
90s.
80s.
Yeah, late 80s.
Yeah, late 80s.
Yeah. So, ke ilo way.
I was telling someone about the story because I've never played golf like in any way, shape, or form. So we went to this range, and I got to learn about golf, which is crazy to me because I'm like, I should know these things. And so I was telling someone about the story when we played at the golf course, and then the people who were playing golf called me ugly names.
Really?
You don't know that story?
No, I don't know.
No more.
Aibo, don't lie. That sounds like an ugly story. Do you have a cute story? Do your parents always tell that story?
No. I'm telling you about what my parents always tell the story of when I got a hiding when I was little, and then the next day I was telling my you also tell that story. I was telling my friend outside of the window about
Ngopsi.
about utata undibetha kancinci.
There's a picture of you standing on the window.
Yes, on the windowsill.
Like ujinge festival ngaphakathi ngathela nomuntu ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wawusithi toso kancinci. And that's the first time I've ever heard that story.
Really?
Oh, incredible. Imagine, asinalo amabali ngoku asamuva like suburbs. Amabali aselokishini no.
Because that's when life was good. If you could be famous.
I mean...
What would you want to be famous for?
Jive.
Oh, come on!
Absolutely, bro. Are you joking?
Who do you know right now famous for Ruchaiva?
Michael Jackson. Are you joking?
But who famous for Ruchaiva? Nocula. He made
it's fine, but yeah, do you think?
Who's famous Jay for Ruchaiva?
Do you think?
Do
you think Michael Jackson would be as famous as he is if he couldn't dance? Aha! Because asimva nobutini. Let's stop there. Asimva buti. Everyone go try moon dance. Don't moonwalk. Everyone try something. Everyone. I'm just saying. You understand?
Okay. Okay.
We are dancing with you. Then in the picture, he sold out for the sends him Lume Po before a Madison Square Garden.
Okay.
Could you tell our man Kupi Kwara? Yeah, guys.
That's such a simple dream.
You often what dreams I want a simple when you have famous for Don Kesivele, complex.
No, I wasn't saying it's simple as in that's a bad thing. I'm like, it's refreshing how simple it is.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm a simple guy.
Ah, of course. I don't know, like writing books or something. Ayo. Iphumelela wena. Are you laughing at my dream, bro?
Because you're laughing.
I'm not laughing. What are you laughing at? I know what I'm laughing at.
I'm laughing at, I've never heard someone say, what? I'm going to allow in tonight. Ingadi yakungathi zimatric results.
That there used to be a time when that was a thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just that now is Windows Puma on your
every
phone.
day, bro.
Yeah, and you don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Yeah, but I'm in awe of writers, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Have you ever tried your hand?
Oh, yeah.
And?
Ndihambe ndibe bored.
Okay. So, I was actually thinking about that, like, on my way here today. And there's something where I saw something biography.
Mhm.
I was just like, do I think I could write a book about my life? Right? It's so weird because I was having this thought, like, literally,
on
like
the way here.
an hour ago.
Mm.
About, could I ever write a book about me? And then I was like, no. My immediate response was no.
Mm.
But then I was like, yeah, but if I were to be talking to someone, I've been busy questions, these pendule, and then that gets transcribed into whatever. Do you know what I mean? And I mean, obviously, it would be a great book because we all have unique experiences. That's what I'm trying to say. Do you know what I mean? But if everyone were to write a book about their lives, it would probably be an extremely interesting
For
thing.
sure. If it was, yes, bayibhalwe kahle.
Correct.
And that's the only difference between an interesting book and an uninteresting book.
Kubhalwa kahle. It's not necessarily the experience, but one experiences is so wild. Because I mean, our lives are pretty interesting, man.
Oh, 100%. Every time something happens to me, I'm like, no one would believe this. I have to write this down, which I never do. But
Like something like what?
kaloku ezinye izinto
Okay.
anozibalisa TV.
Yeah, so I'm just like, and I guess that's the hard part, right? The hard part in maybe I don't know. I'm spitballing here. The hard part in writing a book is to actually sit down and be, okay, cool.
Exactly.
Whatever it is, whether
Putting
you're
your
talking about
thoughts
a
in
process, whether
order.
you're talking about a
Yes.
particular topic, whether you're talking about yourself.
Putting your thoughts in order, putting them in a way that is understandable as well, and choosing a voice, because there's that thing in writing where you choose a voice, but you're gonna speak from indawo ethile. You know, it's not just I'm gonna tell you what happened. Some people speak from a place of bendibukele. Some people speak from this is me, this is what's happening to me right now. Some people speak from a place of victimhood. Some people speak like this. Now you have to choose that voice that correlates with that story. And we play in a way that makes sense to the next person and to the next million people who are going to see it. I think it's such a cool skill.
Yeah.
And I think the skill for me, the part that kills me is the part of ubhala nangomso, uphinde ubhale nangomso, uphinde ubhale. But then there's moments where you can't, right? Where you're just like, oh. And then as a moments, that's when I stop.
Ngiyeke. So nezinto ngathi umasidibanisa ezawefethu. Sikhubiwe yethu sayo. Lita, yazi serious ngezinye izinto. You discourage me by laughing.
What?
Because I think that would be a good idea.
I don't have faith.
You understand? We have a finished book of your unfinished products. Wow.
Who wants to read that?
I do.
Okay, next time, Zozane.
Come on, bro.
No, wait.
Come on.
Just let me think through it, okay?
You see, this is a problem. That's not going to happen because you're going to think it and you're going to overthink it. Next time you're going to bring?
I will read an excerpt.
Oh, Neva. Oh, guys, this is why Sibling Rivalry was born.
Oh my God.
For us to be able to learn more about ourselves and lean into the other parts of who we are, the things that we really enjoy and love. Talita, you've been a perfect example of sibling rivalry. Thanks, Madlamin. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, masipuke man ngomso. Those are good.
All right, cool. We've got a dancer and a writer in the house. What was the hardest decision you've ever had to make? Oh, this one's easy for me.
Here you go.
I still make it every day, keeping myself alive.
What? What do you mean?
That's
Oh, so that's not life. Wait. Is that life oriented or it's diabetes related?
I mean, it's
because you take
definitely
this tab and this tin. So if it was life in general, there's no clabbing, there's no utyakakle. You know what I mean? That's it's a non-consideration.
Yeah.
To keep umdu alive.
Yes.
Correct. So that's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Uba, is that sitting more on a life side or because now I'm diabetic?
I don't know what I
have
would
to do
be
these
if
extras.
I wasn't. Do you know what I mean? So cool.
Well, and then nobody.
And
That's crazy. You must write a book. Diabetes saved my life.
I don't know that though. I don't know.
No, because I don't. And that's not speaking from a positive. That's not a positive.
No, but I don't know. No, but so
Hey.
so I've been diabetic for since 2015. How many years is that? This is
20. 10.
10.
11, yeah.
So 10 years ago, I was still taking care of myself. I was working out. I was eating relatively well. Maybe more chocolates and sweets than, normal.
Then now.
Yeah. But my job also requires of me to, maintain a certain type of look that is important to me. And so I probably would have carried on doing it, but I don't know at what level I would have carried on taking care of myself. But the hardest decision, and I remember making the decision, from now on, I'm going to take care of myself. And this was like a while after I'd been diagnosed. It didn't happen the next day.
Sure.
And so it was a hard decision to make. It should be an easy decision to make, but it's not. It's difficult, man.
The decision to choose yourself. Buke wapala something about choosing yourself and how it doesn't become any easier. I think if I remember correctly, maybe you'll be able to correct me. But buke wapala on the labor. Yeah, choosing yourself is such a easy concept.
Yes.
But in practice,
no matter how many times you've done it before.
Correct.
Also.
Correct.
And also, you don't think of it as choosing yourself a lot of the time as well, which is why you struggle with the thoughts.
Because a lot of the time, a lot of the decisions we make are not as a result of us choosing ourselves.
No.
Actually.
No.
it's a result of you choosing ba ufuna abantu banibone njani. Ya manjime mfuni kwenze ba bahlali bazandansika. Mandithini kwenzele mandifunde kwenzele ba bahlali ndizaba clever ndizaba nenyuku.
But what you're ultimately doing is pouring into yourself.
Yes, but
you don't think of it that way.
Yeah, but you're not choosing yourself.
No, you're not actually.
You understand?
Yeah.
Which is why then we become so disappointed when you nansika and then you don't get what it is that you were hoping to get out of that. Soulmate yakho yena ayimfuna umuntu one six pack. Now you disappointed. Because you didn't do it for yourself.
You didn't do it for yourself.
Choosing yourself then is crazy.
It's hard. And it shouldn't be like in conceptually it shouldn't be difficult.
Look, if you want to get a little bit under its skin, right? It is difficult because, and I think we've had a conversation to the effect of saying, because it's you rating yourself as important enough. Number one, seeing yourself as here, you know what I mean, as opposed to here. When you make that choice to choose, now it's also accountability. There's so many things that are attached to choosing yourself.
For sure.
You have to be accountable. You have to see yourself. You have to love yourself. You have to, all of these things which we don't necessarily have a lot of the time.
You have to deem yourself worthy to be chosen.
Correct.
And you know how difficult that is.
Exactly. Oh, it's so layered. That's very interesting, though. It's very interesting that you'd label that as choosing yourself. It's very interesting, and it's also spot on, though.
Yeah. That's exactly what it is. And just to remind yourself, because the thing is, we tend to think of our lives as almost inconsequential in like the bigger scheme of things, and you have to take that away from your mind because it's not a competition. You're not competing with anyone else. Yes, Bill Gates is doing that. Yes, Oprah is doing that. Yes, they're doing their thing, their lives as well. And we're not all going to be Bill Gates, no Oprah, no Bani. But there's still a place where we expect ourselves to do big things. And then how we label these big things is what we see other people doing. But a big thing, big thing, is fine.
And then it's so much easier to do a big thing,
yes,
than mine, because I don't even go that far in my head to think about what's a big thing for me.
For sure. What is your hardest decision?
Yeah, Look, I mean, I wanted you to answer first simply because I couldn't think of something, right? But I think the way you answered, it provides me a bit more kind of light on it, or a different perspective
on the question, how to answer the question.
On how to answer the question. And I want to answer the question based on what I find difficult.
Okay.
Right. A question in the city.
What was the hardest decision you've ever had to make?
Yes. So, and as I say, I'll answer from a place of what is difficult for me to do. Right. And for me, it also now looks like it's a constant thing. I, for some odd reason, I can't think of one specific thing that is what. What school should I go to? What career should I pursue? What girl should I marry? Those things went hard for me to make because I'm very much a person who's just like, no, bona baby, khetha ufunda ne-marketing, sharp kanona yam. So right again, okay, you know what I mean? Because I don't also like to live in that regret thing. Just try and make
the most of what's
of what's here. You know what I mean? But I think also I remember specifically my life started shifting when I started thinking to myself, "Bah, I'm not this. The person that I am is not the person that I want to be,
Mm-hmm.
and I can completely change that."
Mm.
Njengoba ndingathi ndihamba kule path, so I can completely change this path to another path, and become a completely different person than I have been or I think of myself to be. So to become better, which then is obviously the work of a lifetime, of making better choices, of not necessarily accepting the things that I don't like about myself, like I've got a short temper or whatever the case may be, not accepting those things and being like, okay, cool, but in order for me to change that, then I'm gonna have to constantly trying to be better. Don't beat yourself up. Don't, you know what I mean? The pursuit of becoming better has been a very difficult thing. Because I think it would be better if it was a once-off thing. You know what I mean? Because then you deal with it. Corrections every day. Corrections, palama correction every day. Every day, palama correction. Every day we are forgiver. Every day we are extending grace. Every day you must try work harder. Every day you must discipline. Every day consistency. Wow. Yeah, Ukubon.
Yeah, I think our answers are very closely linked.
Yeah, the copy.
That's fine. Because ultimately that is choosing yourself.
Fair. Yeah, no fair. I copy, yeah, but
no,
yeah,
that's fine.
It's very thought-provoking. That question in itself.
Last one.
Yeah, I call this a bell for him. Yeah,
Excuse me.
When are we getting better
At
a
what?
podcast?
What do you mean?
1.5 to 2 hours. Dadlala.
My sweetheart. Have you been told you look like someone famous? Who was it? I didn't write these questions.
I don't think
No,
I don't think you're following.
Do you agree?
I don't think you're following Morris just now. You don't.
Sukudima, bravo.
No, the one that I used to get a lot was Kulichana, actually.
Yes, Kulichana. And the
Yeah.
kick push guy.
Lupe Fiasco. Yeah, I've had 1 or 2 of those. Oh, okay, yeah, Lupe. Yeah. That I got. Yeah, those 2. Lupe lesser than, but Ukuli, I've gotten like number of. Yeah.
I don't know.
I also just like, because I also firmly believe in the theory that if you were to see your doppelganger walk past you, you wouldn't recognize them. If ungabona twin yakho Talita idlula kuwe, sitha bangathi, and then you'd be like, and not because or whatever, but just because you don't see it apparently.
Yeah, because you don't see yourself. You've never seen what you look like because you've only seen yourself in a mirror, and mirrors aren't.
Well, so apparently that's the thing. So
Are you born? Okay.
Kwa nawe kuzatona oh nawe. Now kuzatona now, and then I'll just be like, no, Talita ngamazinyo. Nina ni confused ngamazinyo. I'm no Talita. Kuta ndifana ne timer. And I'm just like, so by two snamehlo amabini nembumlo, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I very much struggle with that.
Anfaniswa nabantu ke mna.
Really? Umandi, ubang unique.
But when I was younger, which is I think even weirder, like still in school, uyayingubasisana. Kumalo.
Oh. Okay, but the boss it's on now.
Give it up. Somebody colorful.
Yimi ke lo ndiyajava kwi-background. Basetsana. Oh, dope.
Yeah, but I mean.
Akugqibela for you. Come on.
Akugqibela. Okay. If you had to change your name, what would you change it to?
Okay, Masepoti. Bro, I really like my second name.
Which one?
Caesar. I really, really like that name.
More than Uzuko.
No, because no.
Don't be pragmatic here.
I really like Caesar, bruh. They're like
It's a cool name.
It's a cool name. And it's got a cool meaning. No Zuko, I suppose. But no, not I suppose. No Zuko. Whoa!
So you would change your name to be your second name?
Yeah. I legally igama elingoyende libawela elakama.
Hayi nami ndiyathanda. It's my favorite name.
Yeah. Ndiyamthanda uSiza. Sarah. Yeah, Sarah. Yeah, very much so. Yeah, but
now I don't want to change my name, but if I had to change it, I don't know.
Yeah.
I like names with T's.
Okay.
Like I could be a Tatenda. Hey, if I show me.
Got you. I think Dad's name is quite nice.
Oh, really?
Zoli. Yeah. In all of that thing, like I'm a friend.
Dazol.
Yeah, I understand in the land, Zolisa.
Got gravity.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It's got gravitas. I think that's a very, very cool name. But yeah, otherwise, you're going to see something. Yeah, that's Caesar. Oh, come on. Yeah.
Okay, now okay, what to call you when you see me out in the streets.
Even so, Sabe.
Exactly, because you could be like, oh no, I don't see so.
This is the thing. I'd probably look back and go, hey, no, be cool, girl. Like, fantastic. I like that. That was really cool.
Thank you.
Unkubegele fang.
Oh, ungene ukuyo sana qoba ngisamoyiki ke ngoku xa enje.
Really?
Yes.
And uyandoyika xa ndinjalo. Why?
Because I don't know what to do with it.
Fanini fana nathi fanini. Qhuba kangaka kwenzeke nix.
Yeah.
Umuntu angene geri now.
Oh, okay.
No, and that's actually very interesting. Nyan, I think the best way to do, like when you're in a funk, umuntu ungasikathini. Oh, okay, funk. Okay.
Asikahlukane nam.
Yes, but now what happens if they just carry on like nothing's happening?
Yeah, I guess then you have an opportunity to yongene gerin without having to delve into what it is.
Hey, wandukubuza ba what's happening, utheni ngathi uqumbile mntase, na thithi kuye siyaqhuba qa. Which is exactly what you did today.
Oh, because it's a show.
There was a point in the beginning of the show, and I'm just like, isn't it why is she not paying attention to the fact that Diggy Funk is just carrying on like usual?
But then that's what you want.
That's fine. It's fine. My emotions can run go out there. My emotions.
So at that time.
No, ending a phone. You want that this outcome has been the best possible outcome for how I was feeling.
Okay.
But emotions in my head is it kumba. Oh, for one boss ba infection ifela phi. Yeah, yeah, the rage bait hello. Uchina. You know what I mean?
It's never easy.
Bro, emotions are such a crazy thing, bro. Because I'm sitting here offended that you're not paying attention to the fact that I'm in a funk.
What would me paying attention look like?
It would look like you being, I know, it's okay. You know? Which is whack for all of us, right?
Yeah.
It's whack for you. because now when afuneka ube Solomon Somba ngoku ibe ungekho lapho, it's work for the people that have joined us in this room, taking their time, netata zabo, netata semsebenzini njalo njalo. For them to now have to watch this, everyone is cringing. It's work for me getting out of the funk. Like, it's work all around. But no, I want to be acknowledged. What's that? Yeah, emotions is have to regulate, guys. Guys have to regulate.
Let's go to the board. Understanding beats judgment every time.
Now, understanding ukuthi xa umuntu esenza into fika late, understanding sezobhitha, understanding sezobhitha judgment dale sibetha kena konke sibetha
Kodwa sino-understanda yonke into chomi yami.
Dog, that's such a tricky conversation because what do we get from judgment? From judging someone, what do you get?
You get to feel better than them.
Ne? Bit of superiority?
Yeah.
So in that instance, and that helps you how? It doesn't. Akuncedi isilondole.
Wena xa uziva ungathi ubhetere uncedekile.
Kuwe lo. Greater than.
Le chap
Crocodile ijonge kuwe. Does that give you the opportunity to learn?
No.
Does it give you an opportunity to grow?
No.
Does it give you an opportunity to help someone else?
No.
So it actually doesn't do much.
So mna kufuneka Maria.
No. You're better off. You're better off.
Doing what?
I know. Explain it, boy. I'm not saying this is who I am. I chat to none. But I'm just saying. So some of the things that we discuss are things that challenge us, right? Obviously. So funeka ube ngumntu. So the things that I asked before, which does it. Those are things that you could get.
From the understanding. Yeah. But from the judgment, you get absolutely nothing except feeling superior. But it's also a fake superior because are you superior?
No.
So you've
just made different choices. You've just maybe been exposed to different things.
Yeah.
Etc. Oh, that's tough. That's actually tough. Tough. That's tough as nails. Yeah, that just made me realize. I'm thinking of all the times that I've been judging people this past week. Like, and it's a good day. And now I'm thinking about, actually, now I'm young for Manandon.
It feels just like such a natural thing to do, Jaja.
Imagine.
Then to go, I wonder why he sends us so low.
I wonder. Because also, a lot of the time, come, hey, Sherman, I'm disadvantaged alone.
Akasboni and be disadvantaged.
Yes.
But you're not going as far as trying to understand why they're doing it.
No, because you actually maybe, you don't do you care?
No, not really. So, Sherman.
Ah, man, that's heavy, bro. Whoever wrote this board had some heavy things on their chest.
I mean, I always try and understand most of the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Understand within yourself or understand from the person?
No, because you don't always get an opportunity to boost back. Then we nonsense. No,
pull up next to them in the robot. Le potile kube festire e plastiki. I suppose you can't ask everyone, but there's people that you can ask. You can ask your friends, you can ask your family members, you can ask people that you're close to, you can ask.
No, for sure. But this is the thing. That's why it's now easier to judge, is because you can't ask everyone. So it's easier to just be like, well.
But that's the thing, we don't draw the line at that.
No.
We also judge Dabandu Asbazi. Umzubela, Uzbuzba. And then go, what do? You don't judge them, but because there's also a difference between understanding, no tetelela.
Yes. And there's a very thin line there.
There's a very thin line. And very often we'll rather go the route of unantsika, utetelela than
sure.
understanding.
It's
Judge, tetelela, understanding.
Yes.
Eventually.
I know tetelela is so dangerous.
Very dangerous. Yeah.
More dangerous.
Umthethelele sogqiba ke ngenye imini athi azange ndikucele.
Uqumba, yes, uyandibona. Wandiyeka. Knowing it would lead to this moment.
Because you chose your own route. You didn't choose to understand. You chose to tetelela. Of which is wrong. It's as wrong as judging. Ooh.
Ongazithethelelanga umthethelele wena self. Without being asked to.
Yeah, gemteza.
Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope Zikhona is enjoying this for another episode that you could carry on using empilweni zenu to make your lives a little bit better. And if Zikhona, please let us know what they are. We love to listen and read your comments. So nisixelele nisibalisele.
Jabulela kakhulu guys man, ubukho beni buyi oxygen. Njengomuntu obenefitayo ebukhweni benu. Into kalo. Nandon.
Don't forget, love each other.